Upgrading your home is always a smart investment, but few improvements deliver as much impact as replacing your windows. While many homeowners focus on comfort and energy savings, one of the biggest advantages is the boost in property value. In Pasadena, where curb appeal and efficiency matter, replacement windows can significantly enhance both the look and worth of your home. One of the most immediate ways replacement windows improve home value is through enhanced curb appeal. Windows play a major role in your home's exterior appearance, and outdated or worn windows can make the entire property look less attractive. New windows instantly refresh your home's look with clean lines, modern finishes, and updated designs. Whether you choose a classic or contemporary style, this upgrade helps your home stand out in the neighborhood and leaves a strong first impression. Another key factor is energy efficiency, which is highly appealing to today's buyers. Older windows often allow air leaks, making it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This leads to higher energy bills and less comfort. Modern replacement windows are built with advanced features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cooler in Pasadena's warm months and reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Buyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient homes, making this upgrade a strong selling point. Improved comfort also adds to your home's value. Drafty windows and uneven temperatures can make a home feel less inviting. Replacement windows eliminate these issues by providing better insulation and a tighter seal. This creates a more consistent indoor environment, which enhances the overall living experience. When potential buyers walk into a home that feels comfortable and well-maintained, it leaves a lasting positive impression. Noise reduction is another benefit that contributes to increased value. Homes in busy areas or near high-traffic streets can be affected by outside noise. Replacement windows with multiple panes and improved sealing help block unwanted sounds, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor space. This added comfort is something many buyers appreciate, especially those looking for a relaxing home environment. Durability is also an important consideration. Modern replacement windows are built with high-quality materials that resist warping, cracking, and fading. In Pasadena, where homes can be exposed to heat and changing weather conditions, having durable windows ensures long-term performance. Buyers are more likely to invest in a home that requires fewer immediate repairs, making this upgrade even more valuable. Low maintenance is another attractive feature. Older windows often require regular upkeep, such as repainting or resealing. Replacement windows are designed with materials that are easy to maintain and resistant to wear and tear. This convenience appeals to homeowners who want a move-in ready property without the need for ongoing maintenance. Functionality is another area where replacement windows make a difference. Older windows can be difficult to open, close, or lock properly. New windows operate smoothly and include updated locking systems that enhance both convenience and security. These small but noticeable improvements contribute to a better overall experience and add to your home's appeal. Natural light is another factor that can increase home value. Replacement windows are designed to maximize light while maintaining energy efficiency. Brighter rooms feel more spacious and inviting, which can make your home more attractive to potential buyers. In Pasadena, where natural light is abundant, this feature can truly enhance your living space. In addition to these benefits, replacement windows can offer a strong return on investment. While the upfront cost may seem significant, the combination of energy savings, improved comfort, and increased home value makes it worthwhile. Many homeowners find that the upgrade pays off not only in daily living but also when it comes time to sell. Ultimately, replacing your windows is about more than just improving appearance, it's about creating a home that performs better in every way. For homeowners in Pasadena, replacement windows offer a practical and effective way to boost property value while enhancing comfort, efficiency, and style. It's an upgrade that delivers both immediate benefits and long-term rewards.